This is getting good right here. Second heat of 3. D-Rose, who has a PQ today, is in this one. So we're coming around, getting on the clock. I'm just waiting on Cavalieri. There he is. So this time around, everybody going to be logging in their first lap. Big Daddy 44-2. We're on 46-3. Robinson 45-6. Juan Carlos 45-9. Boots 57.
4 minutes left.
Fenster 44-9. Adam Drake 45-2. Fenster 44-8, going to jump up to the 2 spot. Still waiting on about a half dozen. B Rose 45-2. Mason Fuller 44-7. Marco Barufalo 44-2. Rifkin a 44-6. Ogden a 52-3. And Ryan Cavalieri with a 43-9. Going to be your leader on lap 1. As he goes single, double into that left side 6-pack. Working his way to the backside. Into the 90-degree turn. Under a little step off, goes your race leader. Right in front of timing and scoring. Tabletop's a big double. Working his way out of the bowl to a nice little step up. Coming up into the hard hook and chicano. Coming right at timing and scoring. Got the traditional colors. Ryan Cavalieri, multi-world champion and cousin of national championships. He'll be leading us around here for lap number 1. Let's see what he backs it up with a 44-2, 3/10 of a second difference. Cavalieri has found something here under the lights at the world famous the Dirt RC Park. 25th edition of the DNC Dirt Nitro Challenge. Final 2 races of the night. And we're going to go E-Truggy and Nitro Buggy all day tomorrow. Woo, that could have been a race that gets a little wrong. Barufalo 2, Fenster in the associated 3, Fuller in the escort, followed by B Rose, Bordon, Fenster, JCC, Robinson, and Drake, my top 10. Booth, Rifkin, Spinrad, and Ogden rounding out my field. Marco Barufalo now going to take over that race by 3/10 of a second over Mason Fuller, that is. And Cavalieri only 1 second back. So Fuller should be right in front of us here any second. We're at the halfway point. Yep, coming right out of some time out of the bull. Up over that tricky big double out of that 90-degree turn. Up over the little step on, step off, the little turn down tabletop. Let's see, can Fuller grab himself that race lead? And it's 7/10 of a second with Barufalo right there behind him. So my top 2 into the 6-pack. Here you go. Barufalo going to get a little wonky right there. He hangs on to it. These guys, still doubling into that rhythm section. I am loving this track. Got a nice little motocross feel, bang and burn, rhythm section. I mean, it's just my style.
1 minute left.
No big, huge tickles in there. It's just, it's a driver's track right here. You really got to find the rhythm, and if you don't, it can be a rough one. So B Rose climbing his way up the ladder, only 2.4 back from those race leaders now.
Left.
He could really use a good run right here, as he was my PQ in round number 1. 4:30 down, 30 seconds to go.
30 seconds left.
Here's 28. You guys should be in staging.
Seconds left.
Mason Fuller to the point by 1/1000th of a second. Barufalo 2 and B Rose only 1.8 back right here.
Boyden done.
Oh, Marco's going to case that double on the left side. Watch on the left side double, right in the center, right in the center, right in the center. It's going to be a long one here for Baruco. Let's see if Mason or Rose can cross up to the point here.
Jermaine Robinson done. Tyler Fenster done. Walker Fuller done. Brandon Rose done. Adam Drake done. Mason Fuller done. Marco Barapolo
I'm
done.
waiting on three more. We're waiting on three more.